Hi guys, welcome to Cyprus Real Tech Reviews. Today we're going to unbox the Xiaomi Hair Clipper 2. Is it any good? Will it withstand the time? Let's see what the quality is like. Stay with me. Let's go. Today, in my little Xiaomi series, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this little Xiaomi Hair Clipper 2. If I remember correctly, this will set you back about €35. Let's have a look here. Yeah, set you back about €36. And you get a quality, from what I saw in the shop, quality hair clipper. Alright, let's have a look. Let's open this up. Don't really need that knife just for this. Let's have a look here. Nice, okay, so on the front, Xiaomi Hair Clipper 2. And on the back, fully washable. It says 90 length settings, 180 minute long battery life, double coated hard blade head, 2-speed settings, and digital LED display. Okay. Let's have a look. Should we push it up, push it down? How's it go? Okay, so we just take that out like that. My hands are free now that I'm using the Xiaomi selfie stick. Alright, there you go. Okay, that's empty there. Alright, let's see what we have here. Well, first of all, we've got, in true Xiaomi fashion, plastic covered product. There you go. Push that out of the way a bit. All right. And on the left box, you've got, again, in plastic, all right, you've got a clip for sorting out the hair length, you can see there, and that would go inside this. All right, push up, push down. It's good plastic, but still you've got to be careful. So far, so good. What else do we have? We've got a sponge, another bigger comb style thingamajiggy what's her face. Okay, so this would come off. I guess you just pull that out and put that in. There you go. Okay, so this is like, just don't cut as much. So this would be a number 1 on a normal clipper. Number 1, number 2, it would be. That's your speed dial. That's your power button. That's your USB-C input. Nice. And on the other side, manual, instruction manual. Pretty self-evident, to be honest. Comb. Nice. You can always use an extra one of those. And we have a, oh, look at that. Look at that. Power plug. Charger. Nice. It's a bit weird, isn't it? A bit wobbly. Oh, it's got a piece of plastic on it. There you go. Over here, we're guessing this is a USB-C to USB-A wire with something else in here. Oh, a little brush to clean the head. And a pouch to put all your stuff in. Let's see. Oh, nice. That's nice. Let's get rid of that then. That's it. There's nothing else that we don't need. Oh, that's not a pouch. That's like a, oh, that's nice. Oh, that's like a barber's thing. Yeah. Oh, nice. All right, that's to collect all your, you see that? Don't know if you can see that. That's to collect all your loose hair. Oh, that's an actual proper, so you don't get any hair on your clothes. All right. That looks really good. That looks really good. There it is. I'll put that over there for now. So, let's see what we got here. So we got a little sponge to clean, I guess. That's a little brush to clean out the bristles. Then we've got two length cutters. Length. Yeah, we've got two of those. We've got a brush. We've got another little brush. We've got a charging brick, a wire, and the unit itself. Now, okay, so this doesn't normally, you'd push up like that and it would come out, okay, and you'd be able to change the head, but since that's all there is, so this is for beard trimming, which I'm guessing is that. You could use that for beard trimming and hair, to be honest, and that would be the smallest setting, again for hair and beard. Okay, this thing here, I can't see it that well. Okay. All right, so this is for these little length, what do you call them? Length, plastic stuff to guess for the length of the beard or the hair. This tunes the blade. I don't know if you can see that, but that tunes the blade. Okay. As you can see, I can see it there, but I don't think you'd be able to see it. But anyway, so then let's see about the speed. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look again. Okay, so it's 19 lengths. Okay, so that would be the lengths as well as these. Okay, so then, oh, and it comes already charged. All right. All right. You know what? This feels really nice. This feels absolutely amazing. For 35 euros, I've bought much worse than this. You know what? Let's hope it lasts long enough. They do everything at Xiaomi. I should have brought my screwdriver from the car just to show you guys. But on a side note, I'd had the G9 wireless vacuum cleaner for like 3 years now. And it was acting up. So I went and bought one of these filters from the shop. These ones. And the guy was so polite, he told me exactly how to fix it. I didn't even have to take the vacuum cleaner in. And would you believe it? It worked. And it's like I've got a brand new vacuum cleaner. So now, this thing here has got a rechargeable battery inside. It's got different lengths. So you can shave. See that? That's done a good job. I might do my whole body. All right. And you've got these. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, that's 12. And then you've probably got a fine tuning here of 1.7, 1.4, 1.1, 0.8, and 0.5, which will fine tune these little nuggets here. Okay, do you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but I can definitely see it. It's small, incremental, and it's done, wow, it's done a really good job. Really, really good job. Anyway, I'm going to be testing this out as soon as possible. And it's very, feels strong. Can you hear that? Yeah? Anyway, guys, that was a little unboxing of the Xiaomi, of the Xiaomi hair clipper 2. They're all got to have names now. This is what you get in the box, including that little blanket, barber's blanket. Let me take that off, we don't need that anymore. Oh, stuck, okay. Including that barber's blanket. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Would you get one of these? What do you have instead? I think this is quality. I'm going to be testing it out very soon. Anyway, guys, have an amazing day. Bye.